Good morning, all the students of fifth standard. We are learning the fourth lesson of our social studies, that is evolution. This lesson we are learning. So, in this lesson, in a previous video, I have given information about the concept of evaluations. What is the meaning of evaluations? The word evolutions means gradual or the continuous changes. So this is the meaning of the word evolutions, and the concept of evolution was explained or proved by Charles Darwin. This scientist scientifically he proved about the concept of evolutions. So the species which are capable to adapt environmental changes are able to survive. Oh, those were the species at that time, which were able to be adopt the environmental changes. Such a species were such species they survived that, and the species which were unable to make change themselves, environmental changes in their body, they were unable to survive or they became extinct. uh, Extinct means what happened, disappeared or they died out. So this informations we have studied there. So the species one that cannot do so, or the species that one cannot make changes, become extinct in the process of evolutions, in the process of changes there, gradual or the slow changes there. Now next one, paragraph on the page number 15 only. In ancient time there were many species, the type of animals, different species were there, or the different types of animals were there. Among that one species or the one type of animal, that is uh, called as a dinosaurs. Dinosaur, I think you have heard the name of this species, dinosaur. Now this word is a Greek word, dinosaurus. The dinosaur is a Greek word, or this word is formed by the combination of Greek word. Now the meaning of this word in a Greek language is a little bit different there. How this word is formed and what is the meaning of this word, that we'll see. Dinos in the Greek means is terrible. Dinos, it is a Greek word. In a Greek language, the word dinos meaning is terrible. Remember once again that I am repeating this. Dinos in the Greek language, dinos means terrible, and saurus means lizard. The word saurus, dinosaurus is the word formed by the different words, dino and saurus. Like in this, two different words are there. By the combination of these two different words, one word is formed. That word we can call as a dinosaurus, dinosaur. So here the word dinosaur is formed by the dinos and saurus, two different meaning. Dinos meaning in a Greek language terrible, and saurus mean in Greek language only. The meaning of the saurus is a lizard, or also we can call as a reptiles. Lizard means lizard is one reptile. We have seen the lizard in our home also there, or some in surrounding area also we have seen lizard there. So how lizard walk there? They are the reptiles there. So dinosaurs were also reptiles there. So here the word dinosaurs meaning is a terrible lizard. So dinosaurs means a terrible lizard. This information is here. Now let's turn on the next page, that is page number 16. We'll see now. Next page, that is 16. It's okay. Now see what is on the page number 16. We'll see. So some of these dinosaurs were enormous in size. The species of the dinosaurs were there, and some of the species of the dinosaurs were enormous in size. Enormous in size means they were huge in size. The species which were the species of the dinosaurs were there. That species or the animal size was very huge, or they were huge in size, like elephant. Dinosaurs were also huge in size, like a elephant. It appears that these species of the enormous dinosaur suddenly became extinct. That, and it appears that scientists also they proved that the species of dinosaur, or the species of enormous dinosaurs suddenly became extinct. Suddenly they disappeared, suddenly they died out. Now what was the reason behind that, behind the such type of a huge species of the animals, they suddenly they become extinct, or suddenly they died out? Because which are the small animals are there, maybe they were unable to make changes in themselves, but the species which were huge in size, then how they died out, it is also different. So this is the question there. Now the next point we'll see. So some of the species of the animals become died out, that some sudden natural disaster. Now what were the reason behind that? Maybe some sudden natural disaster. What was the main first reason? That some sudden natural disaster, that suddenly something happen in the nature, so due to that disasters happen in the nature. Due to that, what happened, these animals or the species they become extinct. That suddenly something happened, that any incident, maybe what is sudden, maybe that lack of rainfall, not rainfall only, or a huge rainfall also we can call, or a flood came, water was flowing everywhere, full of water. That otherwise too much hot temperature also there. So or earthquake, something different reasons were there. So some sudden natural disaster or environmental changes is believed to be responsible for their extinctions. Or environmental changes, or something changes happen in the environment, maybe some of the environmental changes happen there at that times. So due to the environmental changes also, it is believed that these reasons were the responsible for the extinct of dinosaurs. So what were the reasons behind the extinct of dinosaur? First, that is maybe some sudden natural disaster or environmental changes. These were the reasons behind the extinct of dinosaurs. Now, next point there, fossils of the dinosaurs with wings have been discovered. Some of the species of the dinosaurs they had wings, means they can fly. Now it is difficult that dinosaurs were lizard, and they were meat eaters also, and they were means they were omnivorous and the carnivorous, both types of animals. They were eating the grasses also, or they were eating the other animals also there. So they were very dangerous at that time. They were flying also, and they were catching and eating other animals, small animals there. So fossils of the dinosaurs with the wings have been discovered. Some of the fossils of the animals. Fossils means what? Skeletons of the animal. Bones of the animals have been discovered or have been found in the earth during the time of excavations, and that their fossils, their skeletons with the wings means maybe they were able to fly. Wings means a bird, one animal who, who has wings, that animal can fly. That, so dinosaurs also they were at the time, and some of the species of the dinosaur they had a wings, means they can fly there. So you can be imagine such type of huge animals, and if that animals is able to be fly, huge and powerful animals able to fly, means that animals can catch to anyone. So they were this much huge in size, means easily they lift the human beings in their legs or in their paws there. Easily they can catch and they can lift, they can fly into the air. That much they were huge and powerful there. They were there. So fossils of the skeletons of the dinosaurs have been discovered there. It is believed that some species of the two-legged and winged dinosaurs evolved into the birds, and it is believed that some of the species of the animals which were having the two legs, two-legged and wings, they were having the legs, two legs, and they were having the wings also. So such animals or such a species of animals, they evolved, they changed themselves, and they became the bird, huge bird, they became the birds there. So remember what is that, some species of the animals, they had the two legs and wings, those were having the wings. Such a species of the animals, maybe in a in a evaluations, in a gradual changes happen in them, and by the changes they turn into the birds. So maybe this is the concept that scientists like in this they believed. Here's pictures also given, skeleton of the dinosaurs and constructed pictures of dinosaurs with the wings given here. So this you have to read out this point number 4.1, whole point you read out twice thrice, you read out means you will get this point. So when we will come tomorrow, then tomorrow will come with the next one point. Till that time revise it. Thank you.